guys, welcome to Lucy's channel.
Hi guys!
I was going to say Lucy Lane, the Queen of Balmain, but today is Lucy Lane, the Queen of Terrigal, and it is noisy as hell here. We're in a little coastal town just out of Sydney, getting out of the big smoke, having some fish and chips. Here's Luce. Do you want some chippies? Here we go. Oh, this looks delish. How you going? Is that good, Mum?
It's really good.
Really good? Yum, 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 yum. And then we're going to go to the beach and go shimmying afterwards. Yes. Good job. Sydney's really upset right now because she can't walk up this giant hill after fish and chips. But look, Lucy can.
You're walking too fast.
Luce? Yeah, you can, can't you? Good job.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said you love for me so